Hi, thanks for joining me today. We're going to take a look at a Google tool called Advanced Search, which hopefully will save you some time while you're trying to find materials to use in your classroom. To begin with, we want to be at our Google homepage, and we're going to just type in a search. Today, let's use Aztec civilizations. We'll see that we have over 300,000 results, which would take us quite a bit of time to look through. So we're going to use Advanced Search to narrow this down. To do that, we come over here top right and we see our tool or our sprocket. Click on that for the drop down, and then Advanced Search. Click on that. And you'll see that our original search has copied itself over here, Aztec civilization. I could change that or modify that if I need to. Right below that here are options that we have for using this exact word or phrase, any of these words, none of these words, or numbers ranging from blank to blank. We're just going to leave all those blank right now. We're just worried about our Aztec civilization. We want all of those words, or both of those, to be there. But down here at the bottom, we have a lot more features. We want to change this one, language. Let's just get back to our results in English. Region, we're going to leave that. Last update, we're going to leave that for right now, but I could get very specific with that all the way down to the last 24 hours. Site or domain, terms appearing anywhere in this page in the title, so let's just leave that as anywhere in the page. Safe search. This one's important for in the classroom. If there are students around and they might see what comes up on your computer, or if this is being projected in front of the class, we want to make sure that we filter explicit results. That way we don't have things popping up that we don't want the students to see. All reading levels here, let's just look for intermediate to begin with. Show only the intermediate results. So we do have a basic and advanced, so if I have different levels of students, this could be a useful feature. Right now we're just going to click on intermediate results. File format. If I'm looking for a specific type of file, here's where I can narrow that down. And let's just do a PDF today. And usage rights, if I wanted something to reproduce, modify, etc. We're just going to leave that as not filtered right now. Then you click on Advanced Search. And now we'll see what we have here. Up here tells us that our Safe Search is on. We have our reading levels, and it's broken down here. We could click here to get all of the results, but we see that if right now 41% of what we found was in our intermediate range. If I did have students that were struggling, I might want to find something for them in basic. And when I click on this, it changed my results to just the basic results. Let's go back to intermediate. And at this point now, I could start looking through my PDFs and so forth, just like a regular search. So at this point, you see how easily we were able to find a specific type of file that we wanted to. If I wasn't finding much here, I can clear this, but that's going to get rid of all of my filters. If I want something more recent, let's just say within the last year, I click on that, and up here it changed our result numbers. Now 51% of what was available is in our intermediate range. By relevance, I could sort it by date or relevance. We're going to leave that. Let's take a look at all results here, reading level, and now that little chart went away, but we can bring it back. Reading level, there we go. And if we clear this, all of those filters went away, and we find that we now have 20,200 results. So that has helped immensely. Remember, our original search was over 300,000 of those. Remember, our Safe Search is on. If I want to turn that off, I can come over here and turn off Safe Search. And we'll see that that gave me 100 more results. I'm now at 20,300. So if I was at home where the students weren't in my classroom and I wasn't finding what I needed, that could be an option for me. If I want to turn that back on, I click on my tool, I come back to turn on Safe, and we're back to 20,200. So at this point, hopefully you'll be able to get into Google's Advanced Search. Remember, we just use the tool here after we've done a search. Advanced Search, we click on it, and this will take us right back where we were. So there you have a quick little time saver for narrowing down your search results. Google's advanced search tool.